We want to sketch y equals 2 times the modulus of x plus 2. If the mod of x plus 2 is our f of x, we have a transformation of the form 2 times f of x. We know this type of transformation is a stretch away from the x-axis of factor 2. So every point in the transformed graph is twice as far away from the x-axis as it is originally. Let's first sketch y equals mod x plus 2. We met this in the previous example, so we can do this quickly. We know it cuts the y-axis at 2 and touches the x-axis at minus 2. We know it's a V-shaped graph, so it goes upwards in this direction and then goes upwards here. Of course, we should label this, so this is y is equal to the modulus of x plus 2. We now want to apply the transformation stretching away from the x-axis. This point is on the x-axis, so we'll stay exactly where it is. However, the intercept at 2 will stretch upwards to 4. Therefore, this line segment is part of our graph. It must also stretch up on the other side, and so the blue graph here is the graph of y equals 2 times the modulus of x plus 2. We should be able to recognize here that this limb is the graph of y equals 2x plus 4 down as far as the x-axis, and the other limb is going to be the graph of y equals minus 2x minus 4. Note this function is the negative of this function.